Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja. Today's video is going to be very special. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for this one. I have curated a beginner's makeup kit just for you guys and I will be walking you through all the products in it one by one. These products are very well used and you guys have seen me using them in my previous videos. All of them work great for me and they are affordable. And I would be covering the products in the sequence in which you should apply them. There will be a second video in the series where I'll explain you in detail how to create a beautiful look using all of these products. So before we start, please hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to check out my Instagram where I upload a ton of fun stuff. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The very first step in makeup is priming, and I always use a primer before applying the foundation. As I have spoken about this multiple times in my previous videos, primers are necessary to give you a smooth canvas to start. And today I have chosen this Maybelline Master Prime in the variant Blur and Smooth. This one not only gives you a smooth canvas to start the makeup but also hydrates your skin at the same time. Moreover, it is good for all skin types. Coming to the foundation, I know you guys must already know about this. It's quite popular and one of the best sellers, and I'm talking about the Fit Me Poreless Foundation. I particularly chose this one because it is available in 18 shades at Nykaa. It gives you a medium to buildable full coverage and it looks very natural on the face. This too is good for all skin types. It says on the packaging that this one is suitable for normal to oily skin type, but I have dry skin and this one performs brilliantly on my face. You just have to moisturize your skin really well. Coming to the concealers, my recommendation for you guys is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Concealers are basically used to hide your dark circles, spots and pigmentation. As a beginner, you should always go for a concealer which matches your skin tone. This one in particular blends easily, it has a good coverage and also available in lot of shades. To set the base on the face, we are gonna need a powder, and the first option which I have for you guys is this loose finishing powder from Maybelline. Okay, so I absolutely adore this product. It is finely milled, it applies beautifully on the face and it doesn't dry your skin. It sets the liquid and gives a little coverage for your base too. For those of you who prefer a compact over a loose finishing powder, you can use this pressed powder from Maybelline. This one gives you a good coverage if that's what you're looking for. This also comes along with a mirror and a powder puff, which makes it a travel friendly product. You can also use this for touch-ups. For doing the brows, I specifically chose a powder product over definers and pencils and pomades because I feel a powder product is easier to work with, and the product which I have for you guys is the PAC Eyebrow Definer. Although you're probably not gonna need this first color, how I like to use is I mix these two colors and then apply. My recommendation for eyeliner is this Get Inked Liner from Nykaa, which is a pen liner. This is very easy to apply and has a very good pigmentation, and if you are a beginner or new to the liners, I think you should always start with a pen liner. The eyeshadow palette which I have chosen for you guys is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette. This is good for everyday use because look at the color scheme guys, it has a lot of browns, warmer shades and greens. So I was very attracted to the greens when I saw this palette. I feel you guys can create a lot of eye looks with this one. The matte shades in particular, they pick up very well with the brush and the pigmentation is also good. And when it comes to the glitters, I prefer using my fingers because they perform better that way. So this Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette comes in a total of 4 variants and I feel you guys should check them out and choose whichever one is best for you guys. If you guys know me, then you know that I love applying mascara. I feel it gives life to my eyes. And the mascara which I have chosen for you guys is the Colossal Black Mascara from Maybelline. This adds volume to my lashes, it makes them look longer. This is jet black and it stays put all day long on my lashes and it's non-clumpy. It gives definition to my eyes. It has all the good things you would expect your mascara should have. So definitely go and grab this one. For kajal, I have a very special product for you guys. This one is straight from my personal collection and I'm talking about the Nykaa I Am Bold Kajal. I'm not a kajal person guys, but this one has me hooked. It's jet black, glides beautifully and stays on throughout the day without budging. To bring back some color on the face, we are gonna need a blush, and the recommendation which I have for you guys is this beautiful Fit Me blush from Maybelline. This is medium pigmented, applies beautifully on the cheeks, and it's very easy to work with. It leaves a very nice, beautiful, subtle flush of color on your cheeks. For putting back the shadows, I have a very special product, and I'm talking about the Nykaa Contour and Highlight Duo. When you're new to the makeup, it's very easy to mess up contouring and quite hard to fix it later, but with this product you don't have to worry about that. This one is very lightweight, it blends really well into your skin and it doesn't look muddy. Moreover, this contour comes along with a highlighter which has a medium pigmentation, so if you are a beginner and never tried a highlighter, definitely give this one a shot. Also, this is a complete value for money product because you're getting two products for the price of one. But if you're somebody who is looking for a bomb blinding highlighter, then Maybelline Master Chrome is the one for you. This one is good for Indian skin tones. It doesn't emphasize your textures and it looks great in the pictures. What more do you want from a highlighter? When it comes to lipsticks, everyone has a different preference and their own favorites across different brands. So I have a couple of recommendations, and first one has to be the Creamy Mattes from Maybelline. They are creamy and sit comfortably on the lips, and they have around 35 shades, pinks, browns, nudes and whatnot, so do check them out if you haven't already. And the second one is the Liquid Mattes from Nykaa. They are also comfortable on the lips and they are transfer proof, so if you are into liquid lipsticks which are long lasting, then definitely check these ones out, and also they have a beautiful shade range. That was my beginner's makeup kit. I will be coming up with a video very soon where I will create a look using all of these products. And I will be explaining all the application techniques in detail, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, if this video was of any help to you guys, then give this video a big thumbs up and leave your makeup suggestions in the comments. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.